If you have turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, cumin, coriander, fennel, clove, and few others, you are ready to start your Ayurvedic healing at home. In this class, we will give you the best of our proven recipes and manuals we have learned over the years of living by principles of Ayurveda. We would love to share our experience with you. Start to use your kitchen more efficiently and save your time and money. Our lives are not in the hands of the God, but in the hands of our chefs. Your conscious approach to your everyday food will pay off in the future. So we wish you good luck on the way of reaching your health independence.